Hello, Julian.
Hello, Charles. How are you?
I'm fine. Fine. Julian, do you remember Alyssa?
No, I don't.
She's Ben's sister. Do you remember? We were all at Ben's wedding together.
Ah, yes, I do. In that old castle. Was it in January?
Yes, it was. Alyssa was there.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Again.
Hello. Nice to meet you too, Alison.
I'm not Alison.
What?
My name isn't Alison. It's Alyssa.
I'm sorry. Nice to meet you, Alyssa.
Good. Would you like a drink?
Good idea.
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thanks.